Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you add a debit card to PayPal. In order to add debit card to your PayPal, you want to navigate to the PayPal link or wallet section. So here you want to open up a browser. You could use an application, the procedure will remain the same. And next, you want to open up your PayPal. So type in paypal.com. After you're logged in, click the wallet section in the top of the page. This is going to take you to the next field where you want to click on link card. So the steps are very simple. You just need to go ahead and enter the credential of your card, that is the card number, the month and a year of expiry, the CVV code, and your billing address, all that. Once you're done with that, PayPal will ask you to enter a deposit, or according to the bank account that you have or linked, you might be asked to verify it. So PayPal may require you to verify your card through a small transactions or by providing additional details. Once verified, your debit card will be linked to your PayPal and now you're ready to use. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.